How long have you been in Japan for?
So this is my third year now.
Third year? Okay,
Yeah.
wow, you've been here longer than me. Damn. So when you first came here, was that the first time you came to Japan?
I've been here for travel.
Okay.
I've been here for 2 weeks, and after that I decided to live in Japan.
Nice. I was like, I love it. Staying here. Okay, so why did you decide to come to Japan, like, to live? Like, what was the...
Well, I've been interested in Japan for quite a while, like some years ago, but like not the pop culture or something. I like the language, so I started studying kanji and stuff, and yeah, I decided. I love the nature here. Well, now I'm in Tokyo, but I love to like leave the city and just walk like into the mountains and the forest. And,
yeah. You should check out Nokogiriyama if you have ever been in Chiba.
Okay.
It's like really close, like 2-hour train ride. You know the Kamakura Daibutsu? Like it's way better than that. It's got a Buddha statue. Probably my favorite place in Japan. If you like nature, definitely check that out. So when you first came here, where did you go when you were in Japan? Like the sightseeing 2 weeks?
I started in Osaka, then I went to Kyoto, and then we went like city by city to Kyushu, and then back through Hakone to Tokyo. And yeah, I like Kyoto the most, so that's why I decided to live in Kyoto for 2 years.
Oh, so you haven't been in Tokyo that long, have you? Okay, okay. So you always speak a lot more like Kansai bit and stuff like that.
Yeah, I speak a little bit.
Let's see, next question. When during your trip did you feel like this is Japan? Like, since you've been here, when was the like one moment where like, I'm living in Japan?
Well, the moment which was most touching to me was like when I was in Kyoto. There is this little street which is called Kiyamatsu.
Oh yes, Kiyamatsu Dori. Yeah, we actually did a video on that. We were there.
So I went there with my bicycle, and there was, I know there are a lot of people who dress up like a geisha and stuff, but because I studied a bit about the culture, I know who is a real geisha and who not. And, well, I went there with a bike, and on that like sidewalk there were 2 geishas, like they met there, and they just like did this. Like they bowed to each other, and this moment was so respectful and so like, yeah, like wow, this is Japan, right? And I went home and I was so touched that I started crying about this. I was like,
no, that's awesome. Like I've seen the people like dressed as geisha, but I never actually. I think we saw one when we were there, and it was like she was like there and gone. So I was like, oh no. But anyways, I got like 2 more questions for you. Say you have a friend come to Japan. What is something you'd recommend they eat?
Okonomiyaki.
Why?
Well, there's a lot of like very fishy stuff in Japanese food culture, but I'm vegetarian personally, and like yeah, okay, there is some katsuo in the some fish flour in the flour, but I think even people who are not I don't remember the English word. Not
used to it.
Not used to it. People are not used to that like katsuo taste. I think they really like okonomiyaki.
Okay. One last question. Where would you recommend they go? Like if you had a friend come here. Like your biggest recommended place?
It depends on what the person likes. Like if it's pop culture, of course Tokyo and stuff, yeah. But if they are more interested like in the nature thing or the spiritual thing, like I would really recommend Koyasan. Koyasan. It's in Wakayama-ken. Okay. And it's like a very spiritual place, and this guy who's called Kobo Daishi, he went there and he built up like this big temple thing, and he's said to be still there and doing meditation meditation for over thousands.
He's like the guy that was really big with like spreading of different, you know, like Buddhism, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Tenkai or something like that. He has like another name as well.
Kukai.
Kukai. Oh, I was close. Oh yeah, Kukai. Man, you know your stuff. Awesome. Well, thank you so much. One more time. Your name was
Milena.
Milena. Okay, I just don't want to mess that up. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
It was
no
nice to
problem.
meet you. I hope you enjoy the rest of your trip.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.